Alright guys, welcome back. So today's game plan is I'm heading out to a friend's house to help him build his brand new gaming PC, which is going to be really sick. And then after that, I'm most likely going to hit the gym and potentially heading out to someone's birthday party. So keep in touch.
Greetings! Today I'm going to be building a PC. So, I haven't built a PC before. I've only ever owned a laptop, so this is really exciting for me. We're going to go over the components that I bought. So, we'll start here. I picked up a 550 watt power supply from Corsair. On top here, we have my Wi-Fi card. So, this is the Asus PCE AC56. It's a dual antenna Wi-Fi card. No Bluetooth, but that's okay. I don't have an Ethernet connection in this office, so I'm going to be using Wi-Fi for that. The pièce de résistance, the MSI RX480 4GB. I went with this one specifically because one, it was on sale, but two, this cooler design is very, very good in comparison to, say, the Sapphire cooler, which I've read has had very high temperatures. For the processor, for the heart of it all, I kept it simple with an i5 6500. I went with a 6500 and not an overclockable processor because I have no intention to overclock. Basic 1TB hard drive. I went with the black for performance because I am going to be gaming instead of a blue. SSD, I'm going with the Samsung 850 EVO. Legitimate copy of Windows 10. Legitimate. Physical too, not digital. They gave me they gave me a key, so I'm going to be loading Windows from the USB key.
Wow. First time I've ever seen that in my life.
I know, they used to all be DVDs. 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM from Corsair.
Gigs, wow.
Yes, 16 because I'm going to be doing some programming alongside gaming. 8 is all you need for gaming, but I have 8 gigabytes on my laptop and Android Studio is choked on it. So 16 is going to give me enough headroom. Yeah. The motherboard, H170M. So, no overclocking on this, just to go with the processor because it's not overclockable. And we're going to house it all in this case right here. This is the Fractal Design Define Mini C. It is a micro ATX case.
That's a clean looking case.
It absolutely is a clean looking case. Oh shit! It works!
Okay, we're at LA on Vega Boulevard here. Pretty big LA, I'm not gonna lie. Apparently Nick's been holding out on us. What do you think, Mike?
I haven't seen Nick like this whole day. I don't even know if he goes to this gym.
Yeah, I know. Like, it's so big we got lost.
Actually, this gym is really nice. Like the LA Fitness at our locations suck.
You go to Markham, right?
Yeah, Markham is horrible. There's like thousands of people.
There you go. So
a lot of half reppers.
Half reppers.
Like their squats are literally this. This is a 1 rep max right
Oh my god. Even though it's a half, quarter rep maybe, it's perfect form.
I'm being nice. I'm by saying half rep.
Okay. Fair enough. I agree with that.
does. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark.
Oh, are you done? Okay, that's it, yeah. Nice, nice set, dude. Nice. Yeah, I like that. Anytime.
You gonna hit your set?
Stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too.
Oh, it's so foggy.
Changed nothing, eh? They left the structure.
Alright. So that was the first time most of us have been to this gym. It's actually pretty dope. Very similar to any other LA Fitness, but
I don't know, my
Yeah.
friend is...
Where are you guys going?
Fucking, you know, fucking.
I'm gonna record our planning skills, and you're gonna look back and be like, we're all autistic. Like we're actually.
It'll be like, you're so autistic. or we just not show blood and then
No, I want to show blood.
Shit. Dude, we're in the middle of the rain deciding where we want to eat. Alright, so we just finished our workout and we're gonna head out to what, Tremendous?
Are we? Tremendous?
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 Tremendous.
Tremendous, maybe, yeah.